In today's video, we'll listen to a natural conversation between two friends planning their outfits for a Christmas party. Make sure to stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases you can use in real life. Hey Emma, are you ready for the Christmas party next week? I'm trying to figure out what to wear.
Yes, I'm excited. I've been thinking about clothes too. What kind of outfit do you want to wear?
I'm not sure. I want something festive but comfortable. Do you think I should wear a dress or maybe nice pants and a sweater?
Both could work. If it's a casual party, pants and a Christmas sweater are perfect. But if it's formal, a dress might be better.
True. Do you know if the party is formal or casual?
I asked our friend Mark. He said it's semi-formal, so not too fancy but not too casual either.
Oh, that helps. Maybe I'll wear a red dress with a warm coat. What about you?
I'm thinking of wearing a green blouse with a black skirt and some small Christmas earrings.
That sounds really cute. Are you going to do anything with your hair?
Yes, I might curl it a little. What about makeup?
I want to keep it simple. Maybe light makeup with a little red lipstick for a Christmas touch.
Nice idea. Are you going shopping for clothes or using something you already have?
I'll check my closet first, but if I can't find anything, I'll go shopping this weekend. Do you want to come with me?
Sure, that sounds fun. We can look for Christmas accessories too.
Like what?
Maybe a small necklace, Christmas-themed earrings, or even a cute scarf.
I love scarves. A red or gold one would look nice.
Absolutely. By the way, what shoes are you planning to wear?
I'm thinking of wearing black boots. They're comfortable but still look stylish.
Good choice. I'll probably wear heels, but I hope they won't hurt my feet.
Bring some flats in your bag just in case.
Great idea. Are you wearing a coat?
Yes, a long beige coat. It's warm and matches most outfits.
That's perfect. Also, don't forget gloves. It might be cold outside.
True. Gloves and maybe a hat too. Are you bringing any extra clothes?
Maybe a sweater, just in case it gets colder later in the night.
Good plan. Do you think we should coordinate colors?
That could be fun. Maybe you wear red and I wear green, like Christmas colors.
That sounds perfect. We'll look festive together.
Do you know who else is going to the party?
Yes, a lot of our coworkers are going, and there will be a gift exchange.
Oh, right. We need to bring a gift. What are you planning to buy?
Maybe a small candle or some chocolates. What about you?
I might get a warm pair of socks or a Christmas mug.
Those are great ideas. We should wrap them nicely.
Yes, I'll buy some wrapping paper with snowflakes or Christmas trees.
Speaking of snowflakes, do you think it might snow that day?
I heard there's a chance. If it snows, that will make the party even more special.
Yes, it will. I love winter weather when I'm dressed warmly.
Same. Do you think we should bring anything else?
Maybe a little makeup for touch-ups and a phone charger.
Good idea. Also, maybe some perfume.
Definitely. and maybe a small hairbrush.
True. Are you nervous about the party?
A little. I'm not great at talking to people I don't know.
Don't worry, I'll stay with you. We can talk to people together.
Thanks. I feel better now. What time does the party start?
7 p.m. We should get there around 6:45.
Good plan. Do you think we should take a taxi or drive?
Let's drive, but maybe we should check parking first.
Yes, that's smart. Also, I hope the music is good.
I think there will be Christmas music and maybe some dancing.
Dancing? Then maybe I should bring comfortable shoes.
Yes, or wear stylish shoes and change later.
That's the best idea. Are you bringing a small bag or a big one?
Probably a small handbag. I just need my phone, keys, wallet, and lip balm.
I'll bring a crossbody bag. It's easy to carry.
Perfect. I think we're going to look great at the party.
I hope so. And I'm excited to spend time with everyone.
Me too. Let's go shopping tomorrow and finish everything.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Let's go over some helpful vocabulary and phrases that you can use in real life. Festive, related to celebration, joy, and a cheerful atmosphere, especially during holidays or special events. Example, I want to wear something festive for the Christmas party. Maybe bright colors and holiday designs. Semi-formal, a dress code or style that is between casual and formal. It looks nice and polished, but not too fancy. It is often used for parties, dinners, or events that are important but not extremely formal. Example, the party is semi-formal, so I'll wear a dress with a nice jacket. Not too fancy, but not casual either. Accessory, a small item worn or used to add style, decoration, or function to an outfit. Accessories do not make the main clothing, but they enhance it. Common examples: earrings, necklaces, hats, bags. Example, I want to buy some Christmas accessories, like a red scarf and earrings with snowflakes. Coordinate, to match or arrange things so they look good or work well together. When talking about clothes, it means choosing colors or styles that go well with each other. Example, do you think we should coordinate our colors for the party? Maybe I wear red and you wear green. Gift exchange, an activity where people give and receive gifts with each other, usually at a party or during a celebration, like Christmas. Everyone brings a gift, and each person receives one from someone else. Example, there will be a gift exchange at the Christmas party, so I need to bring a present under $20. Touch-ups, small fixes or adjustments to improve appearance or quality, often used for makeup, hair, paint, or photos when only a little correction is needed. Example, I'll bring some makeup for touch-ups during the party.
Nervous, feeling worried, scared, or anxious about something that might happen. Your body may react with a fast heartbeat, sweating, or shaking. Example: she felt nervous when she had to speak in front of the class. Relieved, feeling relaxed and calm again after stress, worry, or fear has ended. It is the feeling when a problem is gone or something turns out better than you expected. Example: I felt relieved when the exam was finally over. Comfortable, feeling relaxed, at ease, and free from pain or stress. It can describe clothing, furniture, feelings, or situations that make you feel good and relaxed. Example: these shoes are comfortable to wear all day. Plan, a decision or idea about what you will do in the future. It can be written or just in your mind. When used as a verb, it means to prepare or arrange something ahead of time. Example: as a noun, our plan is to meet at 6 p.m. for dinner. As a verb, we should plan what to wear for the party. Guess what? A friendly and exciting way to start telling someone surprising or interesting news. It's often used at the beginning of a conversation to get attention. Example: guess what? I finally passed my driving test. I hope so. A polite and positive way to say that you wish something will happen, but you are not completely sure. It shows hope, not certainty. Will it stop raining soon? I hope so. I forgot my umbrella.
Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more practical English lessons.